At the Cape, the launch director starts the automatic launch sequencer. The engines are ignited at T-0, followed by release of the hold-down arms after proper engine operation is verified. The vehicle rises vertically for 12 seconds. It then begins a pitch-over maneuver. During the boost phase, the launch vehicle computer and an inertial reference system in the instrument unit control guidance and sequencing. The first stage engines burn about 2.5 minutes, consuming all their fuel. And first stage burnout occurs. The first stage is jettisoned. The second stage ignition follows a few seconds later. About 35 seconds later, the launch escape system is jettisoned. The second stage engines burn for 6 minutes 35 seconds, thrusting the vehicle to more than 15,500 miles per hour. At shutdown, the empty second stage is jettisoned. The third stage ignites for its first burn, which will last 2 minutes 50 seconds. This imparts enough velocity to bring the vehicle to the 17,454 miles per hour required for the nominal 100-mile-high Earth parking orbit, which the vehicle enters at T plus 11 minutes 40 seconds. The Earth parking orbit is entered at 1,400 miles downrange. Insertion is verified. That is, it is determined that the vehicle is in a safe orbit, capable of more than one orbit around the Earth. Normally, the vehicle will make 2 orbits before proceeding to the Moon. During this Earth orbit parking period, systems and crew biomedical checkouts are made, along with preparations to accelerate the spacecraft out of Earth orbit into a flight path to the Moon. Injection into a flight path to the Moon must occur during the lunar transfer window, available for a limited time in each orbit around the Earth. To achieve the necessary velocity, the third stage is again ignited to burn for about 5 minutes. When the third stage engine again shuts down, the vehicle is 163 miles above the Earth, traveling about 24,270 miles per hour on a flight path to the Moon. The adapter panels shielding the LEM are blown open. The command and service modules are separated from the LEM by the service module reaction control system jets. Normally, the third stage stabilizes the LEM, making docking possible. The third stage with the instrument unit is then jettisoned, and the spacecraft continues in its flight. From Earth to Moon will take about 3 days, depending on day of launch and lunar targeting. Since speed is gradually reduced by the Earth's gravity, then increased by the pull of the Moon, the average velocity is 3,300 miles per hour.